Yeah, fatalo fatu, yeah, to everybody. Sisdac Fanua in Sydney, New South Wales. Yes, fatawina ni Fanua, ile amtangal ni tausanga alua fi marvaru. Yeah, o laso nafi, ile laso se fulu sa sultasi o February. Na o tuai lo ni tangata manisi o taitai o tarvo mtangal wenga Queenslandi o Perth i Western Australia, Mese Tono Victoria, yeah, New South Wales, ile Fanua nei, and it's a beautiful Fanua. Whai o la poa ma le tele nei warehouse, o le tele o tamai potu, sa mori mawina. Beautiful, and o lo whamu moi ia mo se whawina se camp, ia renga tau lea, ia o se leisure center or recreation center, ia lewa mwhai on auto silai. The back room there has a 3-4 bedroom, carpeted, big kitchen, big worship room. If I lotu afiafi ma lotu taiao, so some activities o le autalvo. Nisina lau whainga runga Pastor Yosua ma ngeli iti longoi ia whapena foi sunga Yakopo from Brisbane ia ma le teitai mtanga runga o le sunga ya Kitiona. Out there where the cars are, o le funua umana leto te silsilai. Yeah, that's all o le whangua tātou Sisdac i Sydney. Yeah, alatu fwoi i tūtamatau le warehouse lea tau te silsilai. Viia le tua, because it's a beautiful whangua. It's about half an hour from the Minto Church, po le o le uru le ngaluenga New South Wales, e tolus minute from Minto. It's beautiful. See all this warehouse, and that's towards the front again. You see the stairs that go up. Yeah, ma nei fale, yeah, fa maruratu nahan. That's my brother Ben Opitaya from Queensland, o le Teitei o Tolvo, Queenslandi. Yeah. And that's towards the side, that right wing that you saw. And this is towards the back, not the front. There's Dorothy, Balangi, Mission from Perth, Sungafefe Oyapita. Yeah, and that's Dorothy. And that's the left wing, going out this way where I'm walking. This is the left wing. And it's just massive. You can have so many gyms, so many worship rooms, so many workshop activities. It's just awesome. Up here where we're going now is through this door is downstairs. You'll see it's the that's the bathroom. Tulo lava. Or the bathroom and showers. Multiple. There's the ladies' room and showers. This is sort of like a kitchen area. And you'll see the kitchen there to the right, the sinks. Right up to the left here. Beautiful. Walking out again, you can see the warehouse there. Yeah, and then up the stairs. And up the stairs, only two bedroom, fully, ensuite and everything. So there, I'll go to my right. And that's a kitchen, beautiful kitchen. That's one of the rooms on my right. Beautiful. Got fans, got aircon. Beautiful. This is the next room I'm walking into. Fully kitchen. So that there's one bedroom there. So it's sort of one bedroom home. And just awesome. Awesome. That's outside the window, as you can see. Yeah, the fans. And walking back downstairs, yeah, that's the other room. Got all the mommies. There's another little ensuite in there. There's been a camp already gone. Sydney's already gone. There's a little small ensuite to that room. So, walk-in cupboard, wardrobe. Wa umana campaign isi o Ekalisia Sydney tonu le, and it's just awesome. It's a nice retreat. and most of all, beautiful fresh air. Yeah, that's Viia le Alii, te te Aotearoa from Victoria, and walking back downstairs. Okay, this is to the left wing that I showed before, and this is a 4-bedroom house. This is all within the complex. It's a sitting room to the right, one room there, another room there, and 2 more rooms down here to make 4 bedrooms, and they're good size. Walking back out again into the sitting room again after the 4-bedroom, and there's the sitting room, which is a nice fireplace, and there's a little dining there, and also a beautiful kitchen. When I look through this window, there's an oven, stove, everything. They're going to make another 4-bedroom in there.
All I wanna do right now is tell the whole wide world that Jesus is Lord of all, and I don't care what people have to say. They can laugh and